see. So can you tell me? Okay. Should I tell
Okay,
the
guys.
truth or let her find out who it's on?
My fucking cat. Shit, whatever.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Are
Hi.
you sure you really want?
Hi, kitty.
I thought I would knew the truth. What do you think baby's gonna find? Mom
You
said
say hi to the camera.
God puts in her tummy. Oh, you stupid. Is that what she said? And you believe it? Look, I tell you what. If you stay up late tonight, I'll show you. So onward, and it's
Where'd you go?
nighttime. So I'm in my bedroom trying my hardest to stay up late. Okay, let me see. What time is it? Damn, John. It's only 8 o'clock. So I get to my brother's room. So, is it time now? No, dummy. It's only 8. I said late night. Oh, okay. Hey, what you doing?
Kitty, kitty. Hi, baby. You still there, kitty? Yeah. Oh my god, look at that kitty, kitty. Hi, kitty.
You gonna roll again?
Well, that's the end of this broadcast.
5.
Oh shit, it's not facing me. Well, that's the end of this
Are
broadcast.
you gonna go forward and then roll again?